Ever wondered what really separates the Einsteins from the average Joes? Forget IQ scores, fancy degrees, or that overflowing bookshelf. It's all about how you think. Get ready, folks, because in the next 3 minutes, we're cracking the code. We are diving into the mind-blowing thinking secrets of the world's elite entrepreneurs, Nobel Prize winners, the whole shebang. And guess what? No genius gene required. These methods are available to everyone. The only catch? Are you ready to use them every single day? First up, mental models. Think of them as supercharged thinking tools used by the planet's top dogs. And remember this golden rule: the map is not the territory. Your understanding of the world is just a model, not the real deal. Smart cookies constantly tweak their maps, stay updated, and aren't afraid to admit when they're totally off course. Just like Charlie. Alright, buckle up buttercups, because Munger, the oracle of Omaha's brainy buddy, dropped some serious wisdom bombs. He said, if all you've got is a hammer, everything looks like a nail. So, ditch the one-trick pony act and expand that mental toolbox. We're talking Pareto's law, the 80-20th rule where 20% of your hustle gets you 80% of the results. Boom. Then there's game theory, thinking strategically, probabilistic thinking, dodging risks like a ninja, and evolutionary psychology, decoding why humans do the wacky things they do. The real magic? Smashing those models together. It's like unlocking a multi-dimensional superpower. And now for secret weapon number 2, inversion. While everyone else is chasing success like a squirrel after a nut, the truly brilliant minds are asking, how can I royally screw this up? Because sometimes, avoiding disaster is the smartest path to victory. Alright, buckle up buttercups, because we're diving headfirst into mind-bending brilliance. Forget climbing the ladder, we're inverting it. This ain't new age woo-woo, folks. This is ancient Roman philosopher meets rocket scientist stuff. Instead of chasing riches, we're asking, what screams financial disaster? Instead of soulmate hunting, we're figuring out how to guarantee relationship Armageddon. By dodging those doomsday scenarios, you're automatically winning. Think savvy investors, they're less about scoring the jackpot and more about dodging the black hole. Inversion exposes your blind spots and shields you from total annihilation. It's like installing a fire sprinkler instead of just praying for no flames. And hold on to your hats, because now we're going meta with second-order thinking. Most folks, they only see what's right in front of their noses. The truly switched on think 1, 2, maybe even 3 steps ahead. Imagine the possibilities. A chess game. Newcomers only see the current move. The masters see the game 5 moves ahead of them. Second-order thinking is the art of envisioning the consequences of consequences. A simple example, lower prices can lead to higher sales, first-order consequence, but can also cause a price war and undermine the perception of quality, second-order consequence. Or consider politics. Introducing price controls can temporarily make goods more affordable, first order of business, but will lead to shortages and black market, second order, and ultimately to even greater social inequality, third order. Second order thinking requires patience and overcoming momentary impulses, but allows you to see not only what's right in front of you, but also what's around the corner. As Howard Marks, the legendary investor, used to say, first level thinking is superficial and obvious. Everyone does it. Level 2 thinking is deep, complex, and insightful. Part 4, Finding Reputations. The fourth secret is to actively seek reputations of your beliefs. Most people are looking for information that supports their views. Smart people do the opposite. Our brains are programmed to confirm pre-existing beliefs. It's called confirmation bias. We notice the evidence that supports our ideas and ignore the evidence that disproves them. Learn how to ask a question. What would prove me wrong? This will instantly make you stand out from the crowd and protect you from cognitive distortions. As Nobel laureate Richard Feynman used to say, the first principle is not to deceive yourself. And you are the person who is most easily deceived. Practice what scientists call falsifiability. Question your beliefs and look for ways to test them, not just gather corroborating evidence. History. Hold on to your hats, folks. We are diving headfirst into a whirlwind of collective fallacies, those totally bonkers beliefs that somehow become common knowledge. Flat earths, healthy, cigarettes, don't even get me started. But fear not, because secret number 5 is here to save the day. Probabilistic thinking. Forget this, it will, or it won't nonsense. Smart cookies think in probabilities. What are the odds? And what wacky scenarios could flip those odds upside down? Think like a poker pro, ditch the blind faith in Lady Luck and embrace the power of calculations. Expected value, Bayesian belief updating, unleash these mathematical marvels on your business, your career, your life. Make uncertainty your personal playground. Alright, buckle up buttercups, because we're about to level up your brain power. We're diving headfirst into principles, mental models, inversion flipping problems on their head. And that's just the beginning. Second order thinking, dodging the reputation trap, and embracing probabilistic thinking. These aren't just buzzwords, people. They're the secret sauce to a next level mind. Most folks are stuck in the mental stone age, bless their hearts. But you, my friend, you are forging new neural pathways with every use. Suddenly, you are seeing clearer, thinking deeper, and making decisions that would make even Yoda jealous. Use these tools daily, and you'll outthink 90% of the population, seriously. Remember good old Bertrand Russell? He nailed it. People love comfy lies more than harsh truths. Don't be a sheep, chase the truth, no matter how prickly. If this video blew your mind, hit subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss more knowledge bombs on